So the brown turkey fig is inside the house, and also the navel orange tree is inside the house because of the weather. And so if you guys are considering buying fruit trees, I wanted to show you guys what to look for. So when considering buying a fruit tree, you want to make sure that the leaves are dark green. You also want to make sure that the roots are not coming out of the container, because you're going to have to repot it. So that means you're going to have to buy an extra pot. And then also you want to look at the leaves. Okay, so if you look at this leaf, you can tell that a bug has been eating on it, and you do not want that, because that means that this tree it will eat your fruit eventually, and it will eat up your tree. So I'm going to try to see if I can find an aphid, and there it goes. Right there. I don't know if you can see that little black spot with the wings right there, but that is an aphid. So check your leaves when buying your fruit trees. You also want to check and make sure you don't see like any spider web looking kind of things, because that's a nest, or you know, you will have spiders or something like that. But the main thing, you want to make sure it doesn't have aphid. So to get rid of my aphids, I just mixed up a solution of apple cider vinegar, peppermint, castile soap, citronella, and clove. You can also do neem oil as well. And then if you have your trees outside and you notice this, you can just hose the tree down. I'm just going to spray it with my spray bottle. And that's what you would want to look for. So when you're buying your fruit trees, make sure the leaves are green. Make sure the roots are healthy looking. I see the stem too right here. There, it's nice and green. If it's brown, it's going to die soon, or it's pretty much dead. So you want to look for that with your fruit trees. And so again, that solution to get rid of the aphids or bugs or gnats or whatever you have on your tree, you can do peppermint castile soap, neem oil, clove, and citronella oil.